gold, I'll pick your ass.
Okay. Off.
Team.
Sorry, suds. Okay.
Sir, can you light my smoke?
Can you
So,
light my bick?
maybe I can. Nice. Thank you. Are you okay? Can I light your bick? Of course I can light your bick.
You see that?
Your lighter's fucked.
It's brand new, you gotta break it in.
Did it.
Okay, watch this. Oh, I broke it, that's why.
Yeah, you fucking tossed it out.
Good fucking $40.
Whoops. I didn't mean to F off, man. Don't have to get that mad.
I didn't mean to throw it that time.
Watch.
Here, I'll record you after. One more time.
That's how daddy does it. You like that? Hey, he finally got it. Okay, I'm serious, fuck. Light my bick.
I'm fucking serious.
Fuck, light my bick. You know you're too fucking
Bring your
big.
fucking light.
Don't throw
Bring
it.
Bring your fucking smoke here. Bring your smoke here. I'm gonna fucking black hole right now.
Alright, don't throw it. Don't throw the lighter. Mine first.
And then snap just like this. Retake. You snap just like this.
Alright. I didn't catch that. Sorry,
Of course
buddy.
you did. Okay, one more time.
Okay, take 3, even though the second take was decent. But we won't tell him that. Oh, sorry, that was a fuck up right there. I'm kidding.
This is a commercial. Zippo. This is a Zippo commercial.
Alright, let's begin the Zippo commercial right here. Watch this, wait.
Oh.
You're at the bar. I'm the guy walking by. I have my GoPro cam. Excuse me, buddy. Do you have a lighter?
Do I have a lighter?
Well, I'll take that as a yes.
I've got a Zippo. Sold at your local Walmart, your local Co-op, your local Esso, your local Kusky.
And it doesn't fucking work. Well, I'm not going to fucking Co-op, Walmart, or Husky. Those guys suck. Okay. Alright, one more time.
Yeah, I'll record you doing the fucking Zippo.
Alright, I'll do it better. Oh, I